Alright, yes, good evening. Ayan, so ang agenda natin is pumunta kay BYC, Boss Yang. Ayan, at the same time, it's English. You know that? I don't know how to speak English, but I'm speaking anyway. See that? That is click. That is click. Look. I told you, it's click. Then the other one is click. You see that? Even if he is going 1,000 kilometers away, there's a click. There's a click. Then click again. Alright. We are surrounded by click. It's Honda click. You see that? You see that? The after the Aerox, that is click, and slide plate is click again, and then click again with Peria concept. Look. All right. If you don't want to call, I call it Peria concept and make it so social ng konti. Just look in Sky Ranch. The Ferris wheel in the Sky Ranch. Look at the color, the lightings. I don't care if you get mad at me because I'm American. Fuck you. There's a green light. Oh, it's delicate. No warning. The only warning is the packing tape. Look at that tape. That's your only warning. Oh! I got Sibak with PCX. I don't care. This is the legendary bridge. Before you enter in this bridge, you see the 2.4 meter clearance. But the other dumb driver with closed Benz are always entering this shit. Oh, look. There's so many Aerox and 2 clicks. 2 Aerox, 2 clicks. These 2 Aerox is Sibak. Then Peria concept. Look. I will get close. Look at that. It's Sky Ranch. Sky Ranch concept. If you don't want Peria, if you want social, it's Sky Ranch concept. All right. Okay. Look, I see a click again. Click, then click again. I think this is not click. Oh, it's not click. It's air blade, I think. Look, it's air blade or what? Oh, if I click 160. Alright. So click. Don't laugh at me because I'm not a full Englisher. I don't have graduate. I think we're in Kalumpit. Alright. Oh, there's a click in far away. Let me take a closer look. Oh yes. Oh yes, it's click. I told you. There's McDonald's and Pure Gold, and few meters away you get to BYC Cafe. Ayun. once I mirror, then look again at the back for sure, for safety, and then I'm over, lampas. Look. That is BYC. Yan. Okay naman. Gutom lang. Kakain ako. Alis tayo. Ayan ang kasama natin. Mga naka big bike. Kasi natin kanan si Bakin. Yung gamit niya. Tayo ito. Yeah, sabay natin mga big bike. Para di kayo mukhang click. Puro kayo click. Boss Yang. Ay, yeah. Yun. So, dyan, no? Ayan, pwede kayo dyan, sa akin yan. Uy.
Vlog ka, boss?
Ha? Oo. Gusto sampalin kita eh.
Aray mo!
Ano yan? Ano? Putang ina nyo ah. Sino ba kayo?
Bullshit! Murahin mo, magpamura. Murahin mo nga si Levin.
Ba't ka pa mumurahin si Levin? Pwede naman kitang murahin. Tangina mo. Tara. Dito na nga lang tayo. Dito na lang tayo. Yan, so hanggang dito lang. Tumambay lang kami. Nakasabay lang naman tayo sa kanila. Ayan. Ayan, so mini vlog na hindi ko alam kung kailan ma-upload.